Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to start problems caused by the human, agricultural problems caused by the human beings. In previous lecture we have discussed about the natural problems. Natural problem, as I have told you that in natural problems no human activity is involved in causing the problem. But today we are going to discuss about the problems, all the problems that are caused by the human being. All the human activities are involved in causing some of the agricultural problem. These all are the poor quality of seed, and stock. Second one is the money. Form size. And number 4, reluctance to change. Reluctance to change. Now we will discuss them one by one. First problem which is caused by the human being is the poor quality of seed and stock. Unfortunately, Pakistan has poor quality of seeds and animals. Why Pakistan has poor quality of seed and animals? Because most of the farmers that are living in Pakistan are very poor. They do not have enough money to buy good quality of seed and animals. They are very poor. They do not have enough money to buy better quality of seeds and animals. The animals, they only have larger bones, huge size. They have larger bones, they are huge in size, but they are poor quality. They do not produce excessive amount of milk, meat, etc. The second one is poor quality of seed. Pakistan has poor quality of seeds due to the shortage of money. Most of the farmers are very poor. They do not have enough money to buy the better quality of seeds, due to which the agricultural problems are caused. When the seeds are not the good quality, definitely the crops which are producing from the seeds, the poor quality, will also have the poor quality. They are not of the better or good quality. Second problem is money. Basically money is the major issue for causing all these problems. Money is the major issue which cause all the agricultural problems. Unfortunately, Pakistan is a poor country and farmers do not have money. They do not have money to buy good quality of seeds, to buy good quality of animals, to buy better equipments or new equipments which are used to enhance agricultural production, equipments, fertilizers. As fertilizers increase the yield of crops, fertilizers sprayed to kill the insects. That's why money is the major cause of creating all these agricultural problems. Third one is farm size. Farm size. Unfortunately, Pakistan has smaller farm size. Smaller farm size because Pakistan do not have enough land for production of crops. When there is not enough land, that's why they have smaller farms, and the smaller farms are usually run by a family, not by the machines. Why they are run by the family? Because they are small in size, and small size farms cannot adjust it larger machines. They are unable to adjust the larger machines such as tractor, thresher, etc. Due to smaller size of the farms, they cannot adjust the larger machines such as tractor, threshers, etc. That's why they are run by the family, and this is also a major issue of causing the agricultural problem. Next one is reluctance to change. Reluctance to change. Reluctance to change means most of the farmers live in the villages. In Pakistan, mostly farmers live in the villages. That's why they are illiterate. They are illiterate, they do not adopt new ideas. Mostly the farmers live in the villages in Pakistan. They always follow all the equipment, seeds, animals, all the procedure that their father and grandfather use. They do not like change in their lives. That's why their quality of crops cannot be improved, because in past the better machinery is not used, but today better machinery is used to enhance the quality of crops. But most of the farmers do not like these measures. They do not follow the new ideas that can improve their farm output. They not only their farm output, but it can also change their lives. Due to illiterate farmers, they do not adopt new ideas which can increase their farm output. Farm output, also their lives, it can change their lives, because due to adoption of new ideas in agricultural activities can increase the quality, it can increase the yield of their crops, due to which they get more profit. But they are illiterate, they do not understand the concept of change. They always follow all the procedure, all the methods that their father and grandfather use. They do not like change in their lives, due to which they have to face the agricultural problems. Due to that's why education is considered more important in the villages. Last topic is production from 1970 to 2007. Although Pakistan had to face a lot of problems in the agricultural sector, Pakistan has to face a lot of problems in agricultural sector, but there is a dramatic increase in agricultural production. There is a dramatic increase in the production of crops. there is a dramatic increase in the crops, in the production of crops, in the yield of crops. Why there is a dramatic increase? Because from 1970 to 2007, I think so there are about 37 years. In these 37 years, better equipments are coming, better equipments such as machines with the help of technology, equipments, fertilizers, sprays, and etc. These all are the activities due to which the production of crops is increased from the year 1972 to 2000. Now I will recall the whole topic. Today we have discussed the problems which are caused by the human beings. As in previous lecture we have discussed about the natural problems. Natural problems are all the problems which are caused naturally, which no human activity is involved in causing this problem, but today some human activities are involved in causing agriculture problems. These are poor quality of seed and stock, money, farm size, reluctance to change. First one is poor quality of seed and stock. This means that Pakistan, as you know that fortunately Pakistan is a poor country. It also has poor quality of seeds and animals. Why it has poor quality of seeds and animals? Because most of the farmers are poor. They cannot buy the expensive seeds. Due to which the agricultural problems are caused. But government is now trying to improve the quality of seed and animals by importing better quality of seed and animals from the other countries. But poor farmers do not like these measures because they are unable to afford them, because they do not have enough money. Second one is the money. Second major problem is the problem of money, and I think so this is the major problem of causing all these agricultural problems, because when a farmer do not have enough money, how the problems can be solved? Farmers do not have enough money, that's why they do not have better quality of seed, animals, better equipments, fertilizers and sprays to kill the insects, and this is the major issue due to which all the agricultural problems are caused. Third one is the farm size, and unfortunately Pakistan also has the smaller farm size, do not have the enough land for production of crops. It is about 80% to 0.02 square kilometer in size. Due to smaller size, they are run by the family. Why the smaller farms are run by the family? Because they are small in size and they cannot adjust the larger equipment such as tractor, thresher. They are larger in size and smaller farms cannot adjust these heavy machines. To change means that farmers are mostly they live in the villages and they are illiterate. They do not like changes in their life. They always follow all the methods, all the procedure regarding to the agriculture that their father and grandfather always use. They do not like change. They do not adopt new ideas. New ideas can improve their life. New ideas can increase the yield of their crops, but they when they do not like change, they do not adopt the new ideas, due to which agricultural problems are not solved but they are created. Last point is production from 1970 to 2007. Due to all the agricultural problems, as Pakistan has to face a lot of agricultural problems, but there is a dramatic increase in the production of crops from 1970 to 2007. Why there is a dramatic increase from 1970 to 2007? Having all these problems, in fact, there is it is the time of technology. We are living in the age of science, due to which better equipments are coming, fertilizers, sprays and better quality of seeds and animals are coming, due to which the production, the amount of production of the crop, the yield of the crops can be improved. I hope so you will understand. On last, there is an assignment for you. Enlist some of the agricultural problems which are natural and caused by the human being. Some other problems, except from these problems, enlist some of the problems which are caused by the human beings or which are natural. I hope so you will understand the lecture. Thank you.